You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, a word from French, hence the curious spelling. Titre. There are two different pronunciations actually in English. Titre, the Americans would say tighter, but it's also sometimes pronounced as titre. So both pronunciations are correct. The measurement of a concentration of a substance. The French pronunciation titre, which is why in English you got titre or titre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.